Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Dear friends, today is our second lecture part 2 for the reading skills. In our previous lecture, we discussed some points regarding RMI, recognizing main ideas. Today, we will cover the remaining points like main idea, topic sentence, and the locations of the topic sentence in the paragraph or any piece of writing.
Let's talk about main idea now. So the main idea is basically the main or chief point a writer or an author is making about the topic. It is the most important or central thought of a paragraph or larger section of the text, which tells the reader what the text is about. Once you have extracted the main idea from the text, it will be easier for you to get the insight of the text, and eventually you will build a kind of uh, understanding, or you will build a kind of interest in the reading. The main idea doesn't come from outside of the text. It is not an alien or a foreigner, but it is situated exactly inside the paragraph that you are reading. So the main idea is one of the paragraph's sentences. And that sentence in which there is a statement of main idea is called the topic sentence. So I told you that the main idea is the part of the paragraph itself, and it doesn't come from outside of the text. It is not an alien or foreigner, but it is situated exactly inside the text or any paragraph. Let's now talk about the topic sentence. The definition of topic sentence is that a sentence at the beginning of a paragraph indicating the general matter or issue to be discussed later in that paragraph. But it is not true, or it is not usual that the topic sentence is found only at the beginning of a paragraph. It may also be occurring within a paragraph or at the end of a paragraph. We will discuss the location of the topic sentence at the end of this lecture. Look again at the paragraph on noise pollution and try to find out the topic sentence. Consumers concerned about the hazards of noise can reduce noise pollution in many ways. They can purchase noisy products such as garbage disposals and lawn mowers with reduced noise levels. They can also use sound absorbing materials in their home. Carpeting can be installed instead of hard flooring, and cork and fabric can be used in rooms that tend to be noisy. Also, people can become less noisy themselves. They can learn to avoid shouting, to close doors without slamming them, and to play radios, TV sets, and stereos at moderate levels. You all know already that the topic of this paragraph is noise pollution. So, what is the main point the author is trying to make here? The writer in the first sentence talks about the ways in which noise pollution can be reduced. In the remaining paragraph, the writer discusses those ways in which the noise pollution can be reduced. We can say for sure now that the topic sentence best expresses what the entire paragraph is about. So, in this paragraph, you can devise that consumers concerned about the hazards of noise can reduce noise pollution in many ways. So, the whole paragraph is about uh, ways to reduce noise pollution. So, we can say for sure now that The topic sentence of this paragraph is this one, the first sentence of the paragraph. Consumers concerned about the hazards of noise can reduce noise pollution in many ways. We can say that the topic sentence is a kind of umbrella or blanket term which covers everything of the paragraph like examples, reasons, facts, details, etc. Dear friends, practice is very important. If you do practice, you will memorize the ideas, you will memorize the concepts. Therefore, I have attached practice exercises in the description below. Download the file and do practice at home. I already discussed that the topic sentence is not necessarily located in the beginning of a paragraph, but it may also appear within a paragraph or at the end of a paragraph. But occurrence of the topic sentence at the beginning of a paragraph is a common pattern. I will not go into the details of this topic. I want you to read the locations of the topic sentence on your own. And for that purpose, I am also attaching a file regarding locations of the topic sentence in the description below. I want you to become somehow independent. Our second lecture ends here. Thank you for bearing me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.